In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Notebook I. To get started, open your web browser and go to Notebook LM. This is Google's notebook tool that helps you work with your own materials using AI, so it is most useful when you add sources first. Once you are on the Notebook LM home screen, look for the option that says plus create new and click it. This creates a fresh notebook, which is basically your dedicated workspace for one topic or project. If you plan to work on multiple subjects, it is a good habit to keep one notebook per subject so your sources and notes stay organized. Next, you will add content to the notebook. Click Upload, and then choose what you want to bring in. You can upload PDF files, add URLs from the web, or connect files from Google Drive. Try to upload clean, relevant documents, because the quality of your sources affects the quality of the answers you get. If you are adding a URL, make sure it is the exact page you want Notebook LM to reference. If you are using Google Drive, double-check you select the right file version. After your sources are uploaded, look to the right sidebar. You will see a section labeled Notebook Guides. This area gives you helpful tools like an audio overview, a video overview, and other guided options depending on what is available. These guides are useful when you want a quick summary of what you uploaded or when you want the information presented in a different format. Take a moment to scan this panel so you know what support tools you have available while you work. Now you are ready to ask questions. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the chat box. Type a specific question into that chat box to query your sources. Specific questions produce clearer results, so include key details like names of concepts, date ranges, or the exact topic you want explained. Keep each question focused on one idea, so the response stays easy to use. When Notebook LM answers, you can save important responses. On any response you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon. This pins that content to your board so you can reference it later, build a study guide, or collect key points for writing. And that is all there is to it.